see if we can. There we go. It's not good for my bad stomach or bladder. That's something we'll learn at some point. I'll share. But other than that, let's try and get this thing lined up. Come on, baby. There we go. There you go. It's somewhat like this. Carburetor would obviously go on the back end of this. Maybe he designed the idea to put washers in here on the back of the studs to the big bolts. So maybe big washers, big bolts, perhaps, and it would all put up pretty flush. Alright, just in case you've never seen him here before, we've got the rockers. You can smell the oil, so that's a good sign. It's got oil in it. Spark plugs are still here. I'm going to have to try and rotate the engine. That's going to be probably another video again because I need to get a 24mm socket. Yeah, not readily available. Get top dead center, get that distributor in there. Oops. Distributor goes right in there. Kadoosh. Yeah, this distributor will go in there. Obviously on the right angle when nothing else is squidged in the way. Let's see if there's a rotor arm inside here. Oop. Cap comes off. Oh yeah, there is. Points are not the best condition probably. Where it spins over the, let's zoom in a bit for you. That looks alright. Points are extra, it's not too bad. I would think that's a little bit too close, but yeah, it's all in there, so who knows. I mean, this will all get replaced with electronic ignition eventually, depending on whatever engine we go with, but yeah, something to start off with. I'm missing the breather hose, but again, it'll probably run without that. I only want it to run for a few seconds because there's no radiator or nothing yet, but once we get all the bits, we'll see if it cranks once we know if it turns. I'm not insane. You don't fancy this thing rotting me in the face.
Yeah, boy.
Giggity giggity. I'm also going to try and take the bumper off because yeah, it's pretty buggered. It's even held on. Oh, it's literally. It's not even bolted on. How good's that? Didn't even need to take a bolt out. Yeah, didn't even need to unbolt it. How that stayed on from a big old transport that it had, I don't know. Let's see if this side just comes off. We'll bolt it on this side maybe. Can you feel it? There it is. So, if you could see the space I'm working in, you would be probably impressed. It's hot! Okay. One bumper removed. Yeah, that's what it looks like underneath, so that's a bit buggered. Probably mostly from the spotlights. Damn rusty tools. Yeah. Let's see if we can just get him somewhat in the right shape. Look at that. See, having a crash, all you need is a pair of pliers. Easy. There we go. One bumper removed. You can see it's pretty gone. Again, mostly no, online. Let's rust. We like rust. We'll get around right. That's what happens if you mess around. You see that? I might just show that on YouTube. There's no blood yet, but pull that spike of rust out. There probably will be. He's fine. Alright. Cool. That's probably enough footage for now.